Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to explore staircase wiring, a handy method for controlling one light from two different locations using two-way switches. Let's get started. Here in Tinkercad, we'll use a power supply, a light bulb, and two two-way switches to set up our circuit. First, let's connect our components. We start by connecting the positive terminal of the power supply to the common terminal of the first two-way switch. Next, we connect terminal 1 of the first two-way switch to terminal 2 of the second two-way switch. Then, terminal 2 of the first switch connects to terminal 1 of the second switch. Now, let's connect the negative terminal of the power supply to terminal 1 of the light bulb. Finally, the terminal 2 of the bulb connects to the common terminal of the second two-way switch. Now, let's test the circuit. When both switches are in the on position or both are off, the bulb won't glow. However, if one switch is on and the other is off, the bulb lights up. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more technical tutorials and projects. Let us know in the comments if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos.